First up tonight, new and surprising information in what's being called the most comprehensive study since recreational marijuana became legal in our state. It shows marijuana use among teens is not up, but the number of adults trying pot is on the rise. KRDO News Channel 13's Bart Bedsole live here in the studio with what the study shows about cannabis in Colorado.
James, the findings in this massive report are based largely on surveys of school children and adults before Amendment 64 and after. But those we spoke with tonight said the report doesn't necessarily tell the whole story either.
It's getting younger and younger. It's starting at the age of 11, at the age of 12.
Core Vision social worker Maria Brosa helps kids and adults overcome addiction. In her opinion, the legalization of marijuana alone hasn't improved or worsened the drug problem in Colorado Springs. But she does believe it's easier for today's kids to decide to try marijuana.
If you see lots of stores selling a product and adults are buying that product, why not try it? If it's not having a huge instant effect on them, why not try it?
Jim Parco, owner of Mesa Organics in Pueblo, says the law is strict about who can and can't buy his products. He believes the bigger concern is what happens outside his shop.
It's legal in Colorado. People can grow their own. It's something that you can share with one another. If you're above the age of 21, it's going to be very difficult to keep it out of the hands of kids, no different than alcohol or tobacco.
And that puts the pressure on parents and schools to educate kids about the dangers of drugs.
When I lose sleep that my kids might not be getting the education that they need.
But Parco believes that while the state report is based on limited data, it does confirm that Amendment 64 is helping Colorado, especially in light of the $200 million in extra revenue.
The benefit going to the parks, the schools, etc. I mean, this is good for the community to get rid of the black market and to raise tax revenue. That's where it's a win-win situation for all.
And the report also covered the before and after DUI statistics, calls to poison control, and more. You can read this for yourself on our website, krdo.com. Bart Bedsole, KRDO News Channel 13.